This is Honors Pre-Calculus exam review beginning with question number 77. I'm to determine the sum, if any, for an infinite series. Recall that the equation is S equals A sub 1 over 1 minus R, provided R is less than, absolute value of R is less than 1. In this particular case, R is 1/3, which is less than 1. So I'm going to substitute my values in. I have 9 divided by 1 minus 1/3, which is 9 divided by 2/3. This is 9 divided by 2/3, which is the same as 9 times 3 over 2, or 27 halves. I believe the answer key says 13.5. Number 78, this is 3 times 2. I'm to expand this. 3 times 2 to the first, plus 3 times 2 to the second, plus 3 times 2 to the third, but you can see that my 2 is greater than 1. There is no sum. Number 79. My R is 3/4, which is less than, the absolute value is less than 1. There should be a sum. Substituting into the equation A sub 1 over 1 minus R. A sub 1 is 6 over 1 minus 3/4, which is 6 over 1/4, which is 24. Moving to number 80. In this particular case, I'm asked to evaluate. I'm going to substitute my numbers in. 1 times 3 plus 1 is 4. Substituting in a 2, I get 7. I'm going to continue the process all the way up to 4. I have plus 10, plus 13, and I get 34. I could also use the equation S sub n is equal to n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. Substituting in values, I end up with the same result. Number 81. This is starting with the 5th term and going to the 10th term of 4n. So it would be 4 times 5 plus 4 times 6 plus 4 times 7 plus 4 times 8 plus 4 times 9 plus 4 times 10. And my result here would be 180. Going to question number 82. Given that the absolute value of x is greater than 1, my R is equal to x. So my sum would be, or my series is given over here. Then S sub n would be equal to A sub 1, which is 1, over 1 minus R. The equation then would be 1 over 1 minus x. I'm asked to expand x minus 2. I know that we have combinations of 4, 0. This would be x to the 4th, negative 2 to the 0, plus 4, 1, x cubed, negative 2 to the 1st, plus 4, 2, x squared, negative 2 squared, 4, 3, x to the 1st, negative 2 cubed, and 4, 4, x to the 0, negative 2 to the 4th. By doing the combinations, this will expand to x to the 4th minus 8x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x plus 16. Recall that each one of these is a combination. Combination would be 4c0, which is n factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. This would be 4 factorial over 4 minus 0 factorial, 0 factorial, which is 1. This would be done for each one of those combinations, in addition to which we would be getting numbers here. We would be getting the positive 4 here, a negative 2 here, a negative 8 here, and a positive 16 here that would also be multiplied in.